On a farm producing over 500,000 tons annually, the harvest begins before dawn.
This harvester lifts, separates, and loads potatoes at 500 tons per day.
The digging system works in layers. Soil separation happens in real time. "50 potatoes per second move through the harvester's separation system.
Each hopper holds 8,000 pounds, filled completely within minutes.
One trailer fills in less than 3 minutes, holding the harvest of 5 acres.
Multiple harvester teams work in parallel, a coordinated production system.
Soil analysis happens daily, ensuring nutrient balance for the next season.
By 11 a.m., this team will harvest 2,000 tons of potatoes.
Fresh potatoes head to the on-site staging facility, where the next phase begins. The staging facility processes trailers continuously, never letting the harvest sit. Every trailer must align to the micron. Timing is everything. Preliminary water washing removes 40% of field soil before the factory processing begins. This holding tank stores one full day's harvest, 25,000 tons of water and potatoes. Contaminated water is filtered and recycled. Nothing goes to waste.
Now cleaned and sorted, potatoes begin their journey through the factory system.
The factory awaits. 500,000 tons a year flow through these doors. Potatoes move through climate-controlled tunnels at 60 meters per minute. Multiple harvest streams consolidate into a single processing pipeline.
Potatoes climb 4 stories in 40 seconds. The facility's vertical integration is engineered for speed. The rotating drum is Phase 2's primary cleaning mechanism. Potatoes tumble 1,200 times per batch.
Human inspection removes the final anomalies, a quality gate before core processing.
Approximately 12,000 pounds of stones and debris are removed hourly.
The buffer tank regulates flow, ensuring consistent processing, even when harvest rates fluctuate.
Automated monitoring systems track 47 different parameters continuously.
Potatoes soak in 38-degree water. This temperature slows enzymatic browning.
The transport and buffer phase handles 35,000 tons daily. Every tank is choreographed. The soak cycle complete, potatoes are ready for core processing.
Speed increases to 60,000 potatoes per minute. The throughput is relentless.
Curved conveyors allow speed without spillage. Engineering and physics meet. Load balancing distributes potatoes to 3 independent processing zones simultaneously. Parallel processing tripled throughput. This factory never runs a single line alone. The processing chambers maintain 55% humidity and 48-degree temperatures. Transport ends here. Core processing begins in the next phase. After 47 minutes in transport and buffer systems, 500,000 tons of potatoes arrive at processing, continuously, every single day.
The facility spans 180,000 square feet, a city dedicated to potato processing.
Every vehicle is logged. Traceability is coded into the facility's operations.
The facility receives 200 trucks daily, Timed arrivals prevent congestion.
The primary dock unloads at 500 tons per hour. Each truck unloads in under 5 minutes. Dock levelers adjust 18 inches, accommodating every truck height variation. The receiving conveyor captures 40 tons per minute, the entry point to the core facility.
Interior transport conveyors are heated to prevent condensation, maintaining potato skin integrity.
Each dock position requires specific expertise. A coordinated team processes every truck.
Complete unload to clear, 4 minutes 43 seconds. Efficiency is measured in seconds.
Truck turnaround is choreographed. One departs as the next aligns. Parallel dock operations process 3,000 tons per hour. Never a moment of downtime. Overhead systems distribute potatoes to 7 separate processing zones simultaneously.
Environmental controls consume 18% of operating costs. Precision climate management is essential.
The facility employs 340 workers across 3 shifts. This door handles the continuous rotation. Every worker is gowned and inspected before entering the processing facility. Hygiene is non-negotiable.
Gear check, clear.
Physical and procedural security prevent contamination. Health standards are maintained at every entry.
The exterior has been traversed. Now begins the transformation. Raw potatoes becoming packaged product in 8 hours. The processing floor spans 2 acres. Potatoes flow through it in parallel streams.
The primary wash removes 95% of remaining field soil. Water consumption is 800 gallons per minute.
The air dry system recovers 12 tons of water daily, recirculated through the facility.
The optical sorter uses AI and infrared to detect defects invisible to the human eye.
Each potato is photographed and analyzed in 0.3 seconds. 1.2 million potatoes scanned daily. Diverters redirect 60,000 potatoes per hour, each to its designated processing path. Grade A potatoes represent 68% of total harvest. Premium quality for premium markets.
Grade B remediation increases marketable yield by 15%. M-. Potatoes are not wasted.
The polishing process takes 8 seconds per potato. Surface improvement without compromise.
Size sorting separates potatoes into 5 categories, each destined for different market segments. Extra large potatoes command 22% premium pricing. Size consistency is maintained to the gram.
Large potatoes are the processing workhorse. 45% of production into general market channels.
Medium potatoes are culinary versatile. French fries to soups. This size enables multiple products.
Small and fingerling potatoes serve niche markets, gourmet restaurants, and specialty processing.
Rejected potatoes, 2% of harvest, become compost for next season's fields. Sustainability is circular. From 1 incoming stream to 5 sorted categories, differentiation occurs before transformation. Continuous data logging creates traceability. Every potato's journey is documented. Cleaning and sorting complete. 500,000 tons refined into 5 specialized streams, ready for transformation. Core processing splits into 3 parallel transformations. Peeling, cutting, and whole product processing occur simultaneously. Steam peeling uses thermodynamic pressure, achieving skin separation without chemical exposure.
Pressure release occurs in 8 seconds. The force is controlled and purposeful.
Water-based peel removal is complete in 20 seconds. Waste becomes feed for livestock. Post-peel drainage removes 8 tons of water, recirculated into the facility's closed-loop system.
The cutting system produces 40,000 French fries per minute, each cut to precise, identical dimensions.
Water bath immersion removes surface starch, essential for final texture and color development.
Blanching at 180 degrees for 3 minutes partially cooks the fries and sets the foundation for final texture.
Rapid cooling from 180 to 50 degrees sets the fry's final internal structure. Engineering and cooking science converge.
One potato, two product destinies. Processing flexibility allows market responsiveness.
Liquid nitrogen freezing preserves structural integrity. Frozen fries retain moisture and texture for 14 months.
Frozen fries are bagged at 25 pounds per package, quality sealed and ready for distribution.
Dehydration at 220 degrees over 8 minutes removes 60% of remaining moisture, the foundation for crispy texture.
Secondary drying ensures even moisture distribution, final product stability across the entire batch. Medium potatoes follow a different transformation path, sized and processed for diverse product applications.
Fingerling potatoes are handled as premium products from the moment they're peeled. Gourmet markets demand perfection.
Laboratory analysis occurs hourly. 500,000 tons undergo rigorous quality assurance continuously. Core processing complete. 3 potato categories transformed into 3 distinct product streams, all flowing through the facility simultaneously.
Main transformation diverges. Frozen products, seasoned snacks, and whole potato items each follow specialized pathways.
Seasoning application is precision engineering. Each batch receives identical flavor dosing via automated spray systems.
Coating oil application seals the seasoning. 2% oil addition enhances flavor persistence and mouthfeel.
Secondary coating ensures even distribution. Final visual and textural consistency is non-negotiable.
Cooling and moisture stabilization create shelf-stable products. Final moisture content is locked in at this stage.
Frozen fries are temporarily stored at -18 degrees, held for either direct packaging or secondary frying.
Whole potato cooking occurs in 500-gallon batches at boiling temperature for 12 minutes. Standardized texture development.
Cooking drainage completes the potato transformation. Soft, uniform texture is ready for canning. Automated filling deposits 14 ounces of cooked potatoes per can. Precision volumetric filling at 20 cans per minute.
Sterilization at 250 degrees for 45 minutes ensures food safety. Shelf stability is locked in via thermal processing.
Cooling and labeling complete the canned product. Shelf-stable, labeled, and ready for distribution. Chip packaging occurs at 30 bags per minute. Form, fill, seal automation creates shelf-ready products rapidly.
Fry packaging into cartons occurs at 20 units per minute. Frozen products maintain -18-degree integrity throughout packaging.
Case packing occurs at 60 cases per hour. Standardized cases create efficient logistics and storage.
Palletizing and stretch wrapping create shipping units. 8 cases high, wrapped, labeled, and ready for distribution.
Main transformation complete. Raw potatoes are now packaged, labeled, wrapped products, ready for storage, quality verification, and distribution.
Automated sortation reads 47 data points per pallet.
Freezer facilities maintain -18 degrees across 50,000 square feet. Automated systems manage 2,000 pallets simultaneously. The stacker crane operates 24/7, managing 2,000 pallet positions across 45 levels with 0 human intervention.
Ambient storage holds 5,000 tons of chips. Climate-controlled conditions prevent moisture absorption and maintain product integrity.
Canned goods storage maintains ideal conditions for 3-year shelf life. Temperature and humidity remain constant year-round. Real-time inventory management tracks 15,000 individual pallet locations. Customer orders are fulfilled within 4 hours of request. Automated weight verification ensures package integrity. Any discrepancy is identified and investigated before shipment. Freezer temperature is verified hourly at 20 sensor locations. Product integrity is guaranteed via continuous thermal monitoring. Humidity control prevents moisture absorption and maintains crispness. Chip products require precise environmental management.
Automated retrieval fulfills orders in parallel. 40 pallets retrieved and staged within 18 minutes.
Parallel dock loading processes 3 orders simultaneously. Coordination is managed via real-time digital systems and radio communication.
Complete traceability is embedded in every product. Lot-level tracking from production to customer enables rapid recall capability if ever needed. Shipping manifest generation is automatic. Complete documentation travels with every shipment for customer verification.
Returned product inspection occurs in a dedicated zone. 99.7% of shipments arrive perfect. 0.3% returns are investigated and resolved.
Waste management is circular. Animal feed, compost, and fuel byproducts prevent true waste from entering landfills.
Energy and water monitoring are continuous. Sustainability is measured, optimized, and reported hourly.
The Coordination Hub monitors 200-plus operational metrics simultaneously. Real-time decision-making manages facility flow.
High-tech automation is complete. 500,000 tons annually are sorted, verified, tracked.
Phase 8 processes premium and custom products. 12% of total production receives specialized finishing attention.
Extra crispy formulation requires micro-precision coating. 0.5 to 1.0 micron thickness is specified and verified.
Custom formulations are handcrafted. Limited edition flavors follow precision recipes with sensory verification.
Hand finishing premium potatoes requires craftsmanship. Individual attention ensures flawless presentation for gourmet markets.
Organic certification requires third-party verification. Chains of custody and processing integrity are independently confirmed.
Non-GMO verification is third-party independent. Potatoes and all processing inputs are verified non-GMO throughout the chain.
Nutritional fortification is precisely dosed. Each serving delivers labeled nutrients verified by laboratory analysis.
Reduced sodium formulations maintain flavor while reducing sodium. Chemistry and culinary science create health-conscious products.
Rose chibis. Premium branded packaging reinforces Urtux's on-demand for exclusive products.
Custom labeling includes specialized cooking instructions. End users benefit from product-specific preparation guidance. Premium traceability includes QR codes linking to product origin data. Transparency is a value add for discerning consumers. Artisanal small batch production emphasizes craftsmanship. Limited edition products receive individual attention from skilled artisans. Texture analysis ensures consistent crispness. Mechanical testing verifies that sensory properties meet specification batch after batch.
Color specification is verified by spectrophotometry. Golden brown tones are scientifically specified and continuously monitored.
Micronutrient retention is verified quarterly. Premium products document that nutritional value is maintained through processing.
Batch release authorization is the final precision gate. Comprehensive documentation confirms all specifications are met before progressing. Premium products are segregated in dedicated storage, maintaining distinct identity and premium market positioning. Premium finishing is complete. Specialized products have been formulated, verified, certified, and documented for premium market delivery. The ISO 1725 accredited laboratory receives samples from every batch. Each undergoes 47 different quality tests. Bacterial incubation occurs over 48 hours. Growth detection identifies any pathogenic contamination present. HPLC separates and identifies chemical components. Nutrient levels and composition are verified at the molecular level. Gas chromatography analyzes volatile flavor compounds. Aroma development is verified to ensure consistent sensory quality.
Mass spectrometry provides molecular identification. Compound structure is verified at the atomic level.
There it's PCR testing detects pathogens at levels as low as 10 colony-forming units per gram. Molecular detection
ELISA testing detects major allergens. Presence or absence is confirmed for all regulated food allergens.
Trained sensory panelists provide subjective quality assessment.
Good crispness, balanced seasoning, excellent golden color. Texture analysis measures crispness and structural properties. Mechanical testing ensures consistent mouthfeel across all batches. Spectrophotometric color measurement ensures consistency. Golden tones are scientifically verified and documented. Water activity measurement ensures microbial stability. Low AW values prevent pathogenic and spoilage organism growth.
Accelerated shelf life testing simulates months of aging in weeks. Product stability is verified before customers receive products.
Package integrity testing ensures product protection. Seal strength and vapor barrier properties are verified for each production run. Nutritional analysis verifies label accuracy. Measured values confirm labeling compliance within FDA-allowed tolerances. Regulatory compliance documentation is comprehensive. Complete traceability and testing records accompany every batch. Final batch release authorization is the director's responsibility. Legal certification that products are safe and compliant for consumer distribution. Quality verification is complete. 47 tests per batch. 0 pathogens detected. All specifications. Final packaging occurs in real time. Products move from QC approval to customer shipment within 4 hours. Final package verification ensures 99.8% accuracy. Individual feel integrity is confirmed before case assembly. Case assembly and palletizing is fully automated, from individual package to shipping pallet in 15 minutes. Frozen staging maintains perfect cold chain. Minus 18 degrees Celsius is preserved from production through dispatch without interruption. Ambient staging holds 200+ pallets. Inventory management is real-time, enabling rapid order fulfillment. Canned goods warehouse holds 8 weeks of inventory. Climate control ensures shelf-stable products remain stable indefinitely.
Customer orders are processed in real time. Logistics coordination optimizes delivery efficiency across multi-state distribution.
Pallet staging occurs 2 hours pre-departure. Sequence planning ensures efficient truck loading and optimal delivery route. Truck arrival initiates loading sequence. Destination verification. Pallet loading sequence prioritizes heavier loads forward. Weight distribution ensures safe transport and optimal fuel efficiency. Manifest documentation and driver briefing ensure accurate, safe delivery. All handling requirements are communicated. Cold chain verification ensures frozen products remain frozen throughout transport. Temperature data logging provides traceability. Truck departure initiates a new loading cycle. Continuous flow logistics dispatch 72 tons daily, 26,000 trucks annually. Distribution occurs within 24 to 48 hours. Products reach retail shelves and restaurant kitchens with perfect timing.
From farm to table, the journey is complete. 500,000 tons annually provide meals and satisfaction to millions of consumers.
24/7 operations never cease. The facility processes potatoes continuously, every hour, every day, every season.
And this is how modern factories produce potatoes from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns. Like your factory crop luncheons.